Hello, my students. This is Pinky Ma'am here. Once again, I welcome all of you to our online class. Children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, you all are absolutely right. This is a handkerchief. Can you tell me, children, when do we use this handkerchief? Children, when we cough, at that time we use our handkerchief to cover our mouth. When we sneeze, we use our handkerchief to cover our nose. We use our handkerchief to wipe our sweat. When there is dust around us, then also we use our handkerchief to cover our nose. So children, today we all are going to do an activity with a handkerchief. That is water transfer with a handkerchief. Children, let's begin. Children, here we go. To do this activity, we need 2 bowls. Okay, children, look at this bowl, children. This bowl is filled with water. See? Yes. And this bowl is empty. Means there is no water inside the bowl. Okay? So this bowl is empty and we need a handkerchief. Yes. So now we will take the handkerchief and we will open it. Okay, it was folded, no children. So we have opened the handkerchief and now we will dip this handkerchief inside the bowl which is filled with water. Yes, we have dipped a handkerchief inside the bowl and see, there is water inside the bowl. And now look at this handkerchief, children. See, we will hold the handkerchief like this and then we will apply some force again. See, like this. See, and the water is coming out, no? So this process is called as squeezing. Okay? So children, our handkerchief is totally wet and now it's time to transfer the water from this bowl to this bowl. Yes, like this. Again we will dip the handkerchief inside the bowl and we will squeeze it like this. Let's do it one more time. Yay! Very good children, very good. Slowly, slowly the water is increasing in this bowl. And here the water is decreasing. Okay children, so let's do it one more time. Again, we will squeeze our handkerchief like this. And we have transferred the water. Yes, once again. Yay! Very good. One more time. Yay! So, it is very easy, children. Yes, very good. Very good. Look into this bowl, children. There is less amount of water. And look at this bowl. There is more amount of water. Yes, very good. So we have transferred the water from this bowl to this bowl. Very good. And now this bowl is empty and this bowl is filled with water. Children, we have transferred the water with the help of our handkerchief. Very good. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. Keep practicing, everybody. Thank you.